Hello, everyone, and welcome to the SBI Securities Weekly Wrap podcast. So, first, let's discuss how the markets have been in the week gone by. The Indian equity benchmark indices extended their gains to this week as Nifty 50 and Sensex rose 1.3% and 1.6% respectively. After outperforming the benchmarks in the previous week, the broader markets ran out of steam and closed mixed for the week, with BSE Midcap gaining 0.4% week on week, while Small Cap Index declined 1.3% week on week. अगर फंड फ्लो साइड की बात की जाए, FR/DI दोनों ही नेट बायर्स रहे टू द ट्यून ऑफ ₹10,071 crores and 9,270 crores respectively during the week. On the global market perspective, the US's GDP shrank 0.3% QOQ. The contraction was primarily led by a surge in imports coupled with a deceleration in consumer spending and a downturn in government spending. Brent crude oil prices posted their steepest monthly decline since November 21 with 15.2% fall amid supply overhang as Saudi Arabia signaled a prolonged period of low prices by increasing oil production. However, the crude oil prices managed to recover and settled at $62 per barrel after the US threatened to impose sanctions on Iran. On the economic data front, GST collections rose to an all-time high of ₹2.37 trillion in April 25 from ₹1.96 trillion in March 25. India's industrial production growth improved from a 6-month low of 2.9% YOY in Feb 25 to 3% in March 25. The HSBC India's manufacturing PMI stood at its 10-month high of 58.2 in April 25, driven by strong expansion in new international orders, rise in employment, and improvement in purchasing activities. The auto sector was also in focus during the week as the April 25 auto sales showed a mixed bag. The passenger vehicle industry continued to struggle with slow demand. Two-wheeler sales continued their strong momentum on the back of healthy demand in rural areas. The three-wheeler segment delivered mixed performance with TVS stealing the show, supported by rising demand for its EV model King Max. Commercial vehicles saw steady growth with Volvo Eicher CV and SML Isuzu faring relatively better than their peers. In the tractor segment, M&M and VST tiller tractors observed a notable increase in volume driven by robust southwest monsoon and high water storage levels, which aided in delivering a healthy rabi harvest. Aspects to look out for next week. Next week, the 4Q FY25 earnings season will pick up pace. The market will also react to the results from the two banking heavyweights, SBI and Kotak Mahindra Bank, which are slated to be declared today. Additionally, next week, April 25 HSBC Services PMI will also be in focus. In the US, April 25 S&P Global Services PMI, March 25 Balance of Trade, FOMC interest rate decision, and weekly initial jobless claims will be keenly tracked. Rising tensions along the Rhine of Control have kept the market anxious. Any escalation could affect risk sentiment and trigger a flight to safety among investors. अब बात करते हैं कॉर्पोरेट डेवलपमेंट्स पे. पहला स्टॉक है JSW स्टील. JSW स्टील की रेजोल्यूशन प्लान फॉर भूषण पावर एंड स्टील लिमिटेड रिजेक्ट की गई है बाय द सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया. And the court has directed to liquidate BPSL, noting that the company's committee of creditors plan for BPSL was illegal, so negative for JSW Steel in short to medium term. Mahindra and Mahindra, इस कंपनी ने अपने April 25 मंथली ऑटो सेल्स डिक्लेयर किए जो कि 19.4% YOY ऊपर रहे. Domestic and export sales were up by 17.7% and 82.1% YOY. The sales of SUV grew 27.6% YOY, which was driven by ramping up of new electric SUV deliveries and healthy demand for the ICE portfolio. So positive for Mahindra and Mahindra in short to medium term. अगला स्टॉक है CESC. इस कंपनी ने पावर परचेस एग्रीमेंट एंटर किया है विथ इज सब्सिडरी Bojraj Renewables Energy for a 300 megawatt wind solar hybrid power project at a tariff of rupees 3.81 per kilowatt hour for 25 years. So positive for CESC in long term. IOL Chemicals and Pharma. इस कंपनी की जो प्रोडक्ट है ibuprofen को अनुमति दी गई है by the China Center for Drug Evaluation of National Medical Products, authorizing exports to the Chinese market. So positive for IOL Chemicals and Pharma in short to medium term. Strides Pharma Science. सो इस कंपनी की सब्सिडरी ने 4 अप्रूव्ड ANDAs अक्वायर किया है फ्रॉम नॉस्ट्रम लैबोरेटरीज INC USA, and the portfolio comprises liquids and immediate release solid orals in therapeutic segments that treat urinary tract infections, pain management, allergy symptoms, attention deficit disorder, and narcolepsy. So positive for Stride Pharma Science in medium to long term. अगला स्टॉक है डिक्सन टेक्नोलॉजीज. सो डिक्सन टेक्नोलॉजी ने JV एंटर की है विद इन्वेंटेक कॉर्प, जहां उन लोग मैन्युफैक्चर करेंगे notebook PC products, servers, desktop PC products, including components in India. So positive for Dixon Technologies in short to medium term. अगला स्टॉक है GPT Healthcare. So इस कंपनी ने अपना ग्रीनफील्ड प्लांट कमीशन किया है. ग्रीनफील्ड 158 बेड क्वाटरनरी केयर हॉस्पिटल कमीशन किया है रायपुर में, एंड द फैसिलिटी इंक्लूड्स अ कार्डियक कैथ लैब, 3 Tesla MRI machines, dual source 128 slice CT scan machines, and 5 operation theaters. So positive for GPT Healthcare in long term. अब चलते हैं ऑर्डर इन्फ्लोज की ओर. सो टॉकिंग अबाउट द की कंपनीज विच हैव रिसीव्ड ऑर्डर्स ड्यूरिंग द वीक. सो पहला स्टॉक है NBCC इंडिया. सो इस कंपनी को 130.6 करोड़ का ऑर्डर रिसीव हुआ है फ्रॉम नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न इलेक्ट्रिक पावर कॉरपोरेशन. अगला स्टॉक है HBL इंजीनियरिंग. सो इस कंपनी को 145.8 करोड़ का ऑर्डर रिसीव हुआ है फ्रॉम मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एक्सटर्नल अफेयर्स. अगला स्टॉक है रेलटेल कॉरपोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया, जहां नॉर्थ सेंट्रल रेलवेज ने 23 करोड़ का ऑर्डर दिया है. अगला स्टॉक है डायमंड पावर इंफ्रा. सो इस कंपनी को 230.3 करोड़ का ऑर्डर रिसीव हुआ है फ्रॉम मल्टीपल क्लाइंट्स. एंड अगला स्टॉक है निटको, जहां प्रेस्टीज एस्टेट प्रोजेक्ट्स ने 111 करोड़ का ऑर्डर निटको को दिया है. अब चलते हैं SBI सिक्योरिटीज़ के प्रोडक्ट्स की ओर, जहाँ पहला प्रोडक्ट है पिक ऑफ द डे, जहाँ हमने शेफलर इंडिया का बाय कॉल दिया है एट अ CMP ऑफ ₹3,478 एंड अ टारगेट प्राइस ऑफ ₹3,826, हैविंग एन अपसाइड ऑफ 10%. एंड अगला प्रोडक्ट है पिक ऑफ द वीक, जहाँ हमने मैक्स हेल्थ केयर इंस्टीट्यूट पे बाय कॉल दिया है एट अ CMP ऑफ ₹1,092 एंड हैविंग अ टारगेट प्राइस ऑफ ₹1,256. अब चलते हैं कॉर्पोरेट एक्शंस फॉर नेक्स्ट वीक. So for key corporate actions in next week, kindly refer to our weekly wrap report. The link to view the report is shared in the description box below. So this was all about the weekly market podcast. Thank you for listening.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.